Hyperliquid HYPE is surging at a pace that's hard to ignore. The token is trading at $48.10, up 6.59% in the last 24 hours and nearly 90% year-to-date. With a market cap of $12.24 billion, HYPE is clearly capturing attention. But what's actually driving this move? Two major developments have converged to push the token to new heights. First, the SEC is working on an innovation exemption that would officially allow tokenized traditional securities to trade 24/7 on decentralized platforms. This is a big deal because it directly validates Hyperliquid's strategy around real-world assets. Tokenized stocks and other securities are a major part of the on-chain future, and if this exemption passes, Hyperliquid is positioned to benefit directly. The second catalyst comes from Bitwise, a major ETF issuer. Bitwise has committed to using 10% of its management fees from the Hyperliquid ETF, which is listed as BHYP, to buy and hold HYPE on its balance sheet for at least 12 months. This isn't just a marketing move, it's a long-term conviction position. The market has responded immediately. HYPE is up more than 6% in a single day, and the protocol's HIP-3 RWA open interest has hit a new all-time high of $2.6 billion. This is a clear sign of most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Institutional interest and confidence in Hyperliquid's long-term potential. The SEC's proposed exemption is one of the most significant regulatory shifts in the U.S. crypto space in recent years. It suggests a growing acceptance of on-chain infrastructure and tokenized assets. For Hyperliquid, which has been at the center of major on-chain trading debates in 2026, this is a major validation. The exemption could allow tokenized stocks and other traditional securities to be traded on decentralized platforms, opening up a new market for Hyperliquid's infrastructure. Bitwise's commitment to hold HYPE adds another layer of credibility. ETFs are a powerful force in traditional finance, and when a major player like Bitwise takes a long-term position in a token, it signals to the broader market that there's real institutional backing. This isn't just about short-term speculation, it's about long-term strategy and trust in the asset. The open interest in Hyperliquid's HIP-3 RWA has also hit a new peak. This means more traders are using Hyperliquid's platform to access real-world assets through tokenized derivatives. With the SEC's exemption potentially opening the door to more on-chain trading of traditional assets, Hyperliquid is in a strong position to capture that growth. The mechanism behind this is straightforward. If tokenized securities can now be traded 24/7 on decentralized platforms, Hyperliquid's infrastructure becomes a natural conduit for that activity. The stakes are high. If the SEC finalizes this exemption, it could redefine how traditional assets are accessed and traded in the digital age. This would not only boost Hyperliquid's relevance, but also accelerate the broader adoption of on-chain trading. For now, the market is reacting to the possibility. The combination of regulatory validation and institutional backing is a powerful one in crypto markets. It's not uncommon for price movements to follow major news like this, but the timing of these two events, the SEC exemption and Bitwise's commitment, has created a perfect storm of most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Momentum for HYPE. The question now is whether this rally can hold. The SEC exemption is still in the proposal stage, and while it's a major step forward, it's not yet official. Bitwise's commitment is also a long-term position, not an immediate liquidity event. So while the current price action is strong, the market will be watching for confirmation that these developments are here to stay. The next signal to watch is whether the SEC exemption moves closer to being finalized, and if other institutional players follow Bitwise's lead with HYPE. If both of these signals come through, the current rally could just be the beginning.